What's up YouTube? This is a quick summary for how to save up to $500 off of your new MacBook Pro, and feel free to watch through the rest of the video to see how I do this. What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to save up to $500 off of your new 2018 MacBook Pro. So this works for anyone, however it is going to be using the student discount. So basically if you go onto their educational kind of promotion page, if you buy a Mac or an iPad Pro, you're going to see that they're going to give you some free Beats. Now the thing here is that there's absolutely zero verification for the fact that you are a student, so actually anyone can use this to save some major money on their new MacBook Pro. So once you're on this page, you can scroll over to the MacBook Pro, click on that, and then you can configure your MacBook Pro however you want. So for this example, I'm going to show you guys just how much you can save by configuring a maxed out 15-inch model. So this would come with the 6-core i9, 32 gigs of RAM, 4 terabytes of solid state drive storage. So obviously this is not what most people are going to buy, but just for the sake of example, I'm going to use this to show how much money you can save. Now you automatically get up to $200 off when you buy the 15-inch MacBook Pro from this educational kind of promotion page compared to the normal page. So as you can see, over here you can select a free pair of Beats. Now I would recommend going with the $300 one, and you'll see why in a second. So just pick your favorite color, doesn't really matter. Now you can check out the total price. Comes out to about $6,100 before taxes, and now I'll show you what it looks like if you're purchasing it normally, to kind of show you the price difference. So essentially you are going to find that if you buy the MacBook Pro without this educational kind of discount, then it is going to cost quite a bit more the higher you go. If you're getting the 13-inch, you're going to be able to save about $150 or $100 or so, and if you go with the 15-inch, you should be able to save up to that maximum as advertised $200 with the educational discount. So now the trick here in saving that maximum $500 is going to be the pair of Beats you get. If you simply don't want to keep the Beats, then you can actually return them for a full refund. And now the reason you can do this is because when you see here in the special offer, the minus $299, that so how the offer works is that it actually charges you for the Beats, and you pay taxes for the Beats. However, it takes about $300 off of your MacBook Pro, so the computer itself. So what this means is that you are actually in theory purchasing the Beats as like a separate product, and they're simply giving you a $300 equivalent discount on the computer. So this means that you can fully refund this for the amount you paid, the $299.95 plus taxes. So this will get you back the $500.